Hello, good morning to one and all. Hello, good morning to one and all. Today we are here for attending the polymorphism lecture. Basically, polymorphism. In this lecture, what we are going to see: introduction, relationship among the objects in the inheritance hierarchy, invoking the base class functions from a derived class object, aiming the derived class of pointers at the base class object, then derived class member function class via the base class pointers, virtual functions, polymorphism examples, type of fields and switch structure, abstract classes, then case study, inheriting the interface and implementation, polymorphism, virtual function and dynamic binding under the hood. And also what we are going to see virtual destructors. Now let us we will see what is exactly the polymorphism. Polymorphism means what? Poly means many and morphism means forms. So one thing many form it is called as a polymorphism. Polymorphism means it is program in the general. It treats the objects in the same class hierarchy as if all the base class are there. Then virtual functions and dynamic binding, it supports the virtual functions and dynamic binding. We will explain the polymorphism, how the polymorphism will work. Then makes the program extensible. So new classes added easily can still be processed. In our example, use the abstract base class shape defines the common interface functionality. Here, the pointer, circle, and cylinder inherits from the shape class. So here, point, circle, and cylinder inherits from the shape class. So class employee for a natural example. Previously section relations among the objects in an inheritance hierarchy we have seen. So previously we have seen circle inherited from a point, then manipulated point and circle objects using the member functions. Now invoke the functions using the base class or derived class pointers, introduce the virtual functions, then key concept, derived class object can be treated as a base class object, so with the help of the easy relationship. Then base class it is not a derived class object. So invoking the base class functions from the derived class, aim pointers here, base derive and objects base derive, then base pointer aimed at the base object, derived pointer aimed at the derived object, both are straightforward. So here base pointer aimed at derived objects using the easy relationship